Building a $500 gaming PC. Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we have $500 budget. Building a killer gaming PC for just $500? Absolutely possible. Today I'm walking you through the full assembly of a powerful yet budget-friendly gaming rig with a dedicated GPU. Whether you're into gaming, streaming, or content creation, this build will have you covered. I'll also provide a detailed overview of each part, so stick around. Let's get started. Segment 1. Overview of the components. Wide shot. Table displays all the components, with prices appearing on screen as the host discusses each one. Building a $500 gaming PC host. Let's start with the components that make up this $500 gaming beast. Each part is chosen to maximize performance while staying within budget. Here's what we've got. Processor, AMD Ryzen 5 5600, price $130. A 6-core, 12-thread processor that offers excellent gaming and multitasking performance. Graphics card, NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super, price $170. A solid mid-range GPU perfect for 1080p gaming and even some light 1440p action. Motherboard, MSI B450M Pro VDH Max, price $80. A reliable micro ATX board with features like overclocking support and multiple expansion slots. Memory, 16 GB DDR4 3200 MHz, price $45. Dual-channel RAM ensures smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. Storage, 500 GB NVMe SSD, price $30. Lightning-fast storage for quick boot times and game loading. Power supply, EVGA 600 MAU1, 600W PSU, price $40. A dependable PSU with enough headroom for upgrades. Case, Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L, price $45. A sleek, compact case with excellent airflow and a modern design. These parts bring us to a total of about $500, balancing power and price beautifully. Now, let's start assembling. And there it is. A $500 gaming PC that's ready for 1080p gaming, streaming, or whatever you throw at it. This rig is proof that you don't need to break the bank to build a powerful system. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.